Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use 1xBet Friday bonus. This is really simple. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50 you get $150. All you have to do right now is just to click on the menu icon, and here you are going to find out all these options, and you are just going to click on order section. Here on orders you are going to find out promotion, you are going to find out promos, so you are just going to click on promos. Here you are going to find promos. Here you are going to find bonus, so you are just going to click on bonuses. Here you are going to find out all the bonus available right now for your account, but as you can see there's no bonus appearing here, so you're just going to head back, and now you're just going to head back. Here you are going to scroll up, and here you see promotion section. Now you're just going to click on promotions. Here you just scroll down a little bit, and then you are going to find out this deposit option. So here on deposit bonuses you are going to find out Lucky Friday, so you're just going to click on Lucky Friday. Next you are going to find out that the Lucky Friday is available every Friday, so you're just going to head back. And then if you're on Friday and you get the bonus of Friday directly on your promo section, here are the bonuses. You are going to click on it and benefit of it. Now to really benefit of your Friday bonus, all you have to do is to top up directly your account with an amount more than 700. So you are going to top up your account with, and you benefit of 100% bonus directly due to Lucky Friday. Now to benefit of it, you are going to create a bet and place all your bonus amount directly on that bet. So you are going to place the bet on it. So you are going to create a bet slip and directly to click on the bet slip. Now you can find out your bet slip, and then you are going to click on bet. Now on bet you are going to place the total amount of your deposit plus the 100% bonus offered by Lucky Friday. So you are going to place a whole bet containing your whole amount plus your bonus directly on your bet. Now you are going to place that bet directly here on your balance, and then you are just going to play on bet. Now if the accumulator is a winning accumulator, you are going to earn all of the money directly to your main account, including the bonus directly, and it is as simple as that.